everyone, my name is Roma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to do a video which I've never ever done on my channel before, and that is a get ready with me. So I have everything ready, my makeup, my dress, what I'm going to wear. So it's my sister's best friend's wedding and today they are having a cocktail party kind of. So the theme is floral and I'm going to wear this dress from the brand Goddess. So guys, behind you is a big camera from where I'll be able to see my face and I'll be able to do the makeup. So yes, let's start. So guys, I had straightened my hair yesterday, but now it has gone back to its wavy form. So I'm going to just straighten it a little more. I don't like fully straightened hair. I like hair with some curls. So kind of wavy hair. I love wavy hair. I'm going to straighten. So guys, during lockdown I had cut my hair and that's the reason it's uneven at the ends. So I'm going to cut it again now, professionally this time. But before that I'm going to be coloring my hair a very different color. So stay tuned and keep watching. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel. That video is going to come up soon where I'm going to color my hair. Can you guess what color I'm going to color my hair, guys? If you can, please let me in the comment section. I really want to know if you can, guess it. So I think that's enough. I don't want it to be very straight. Slightly. So guys, this face that you can see here currently is without makeup. I have no makeup on. So first thing I'm going to start by applying this Pond's Super Light Gel Cream on my face because it's a very nice moisturizer. It's oil free and for non-sticky glowing skin. So I apply this before I start with my makeup. So I'm going to apply this now. I'm going to look at the mirror and do it. So guys, usually when I'm doing my makeup, I really love listening to music. But today I won't because I'm talking to you guys and I will get a copyright issue. The first step is foundation. I use this Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte. Sorry for the background noise, guys. There's a construction going next to my house, and plus I've kept the fan and AC on because without that I cannot get ready. So I'm going to apply the foundation. Before starting with the video, I went and I told them please don't make the noise, and still they are making the noise. So I'm going to blend it now. So guys, this is the first time I'm actually using a beauty blender. So before this, I have done my makeup. I tried doing my makeup yesterday, so that was the first time I used a blender, and today is the second time. Before this I used to just spread it with my hands, but now I'm using a beauty blender because I want to look all professional, And yes, I practiced makeup before this video because I hardly do any makeup. My sister Tanvi, she loves makeup. She's a huge fan of makeup. She has different types of, all types of blushes and eyeliners and lipsticks and whatnot, and my makeup pouch is so small because I hardly use any makeup. So today also I'm just going to do my basic makeup, but 1 or 2 steps extra. Alright, the next step is compact. I use a Maybelline Fit Me compact. All my makeup is from Nykaa. For me, the next step is blush. This blush is from Wet n Wild. So I'm going to just apply it. Because I don't use bronzers or I don't even know the names. I don't use the other makeup which you all do, like over here and here. I don't know. Alright, I'm done. I'm going to put some eyeshadow. So this is guys and girls, this is my first ever eyeshadow palette that I've got for myself. It's from Swiss Beauty and I just used it once yesterday when I was trying to practice my makeup so that I don't look like a fool today. So this is the palette. I have taken all the darker shades. Now I need to look very close at the camera. I mean, now I need to look very, I need to go very close to the camera. I need to go very close to the mirror so that I know where I'm putting. So I'm just going to move you guys a little bit and I'm going to pull my camera, sorry, the mirror a little closer. I'm going to use this. And sorry to the girls who love makeup, I just don't know how to use it. Okay, I need to go more close. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so this is what I could do with my eyes. I didn't do much. And also I have naturally black eyebrows, so I don't do anything to them. Once I tried and they looked horrible. I'm just going to comb them. I need to comb them so that they stay straight. Also I don't use mascara. I don't use anything for my eyes because my eyes are very tiny. Especially when I smile, they go inside. And if I've put makeup, they go more inside. So I don't even risk it. Sorry. So for lipstick, I'm going to be using. So till today I used to steal my sister's lipstick, but now I finally ordered one for myself, and that is Maybelline Touch of Spice. And on top I'm going to put Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick. It's kind of the same shade. First I'm going to put this, and then I'm going to put this. Yeah. So this is the shade. I'm just going to put a light layer of this on top. It's new. So guys, I'm not a professional. You might have guessed till now that I'm not a professional, but this is what according to me is wow makeup. So for my hair, I thought I'm going to slightly, I like it when my hair is like this, in this condition. So I'm just going to twist it a bit and I'm going to pin it up over here. So this is how it's going to look. So guys, now I'm going to go and change into the dress I've brought and show you guys the final look. So guys, I'm ready. I stood up and also I lifted the camera because I won't be able to sit in this dress. So this is the dress I'm wearing. It's by Goddess. I got it from Burnie. And yes. Also guys, for accessories I've gone very simple. I've put a watch, a ring, my ring, and this bangle. It's a gold bangle. If you know me, you know that this bangle is always there on my hand no matter what, and this ring. And I've put this nail polish from Nykaa. It's baby pink. The brand is Nykaa. And I didn't do anything much to my hair, guys. I just left it as it is. I tried to do a hairstyle but did not look good. I'm ready. I hope you guys liked my get ready with me session. If you all did, please do give it a big like. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and do let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought. So now, and yes, come back tomorrow for a new video. Bye.